prefer kuya? Baka mag-change ko siya ng mind.
Mamaya mo naman.
Sit here. Sit beside Papa. You take a rest. It's okay.
Oh, you want to do the renegade check? Oh, wait, go.
Good job.
Come on, Don. Look at the time.
Yan is your next.
Kaya lang kakatapos lang ng fair, oh.
Oo nga, makatapos lang yung fair nila. Ano ba sila yung nagpe-prepare na sila sa 25th? Nagpa-practice na sila ng presentation for March. O, sayang nga. Okay yun sa mga fair. Wala ba sila sports fest? Saka tayo mo, may tao kasi nag-football din
Come
siya.
on, you're almost there. Down, down. Down, na. Okay, I want you to let go. Hands on the rope.
You're almost there.
Bring it down. Oh, you want to rest first? Or you want to go down? Here you go.
Go up, go up. Come on.
Here you go, what do you want?
Gusto niya pa umakyat.
Come on. More.
Okay, let's go. Hold your rope. Bring it down. Very good, here you go.
Gusto niya talaga yun. Ilan ko baka hanap ng
Kahapon na. Watch your back. Face the wall.
Face the wall lang, Miguel. Use your foot.
Always face the wall. That's it.
Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs.
Very good.
Nice one.